TV GH Toronto, Canada. Body bin, body wun, body bem. Ear.
Melo TV, body bim, body bim, body bem.
Right, I was for Mobi Bia, Chi, Emwaha, Emwajo, Eba, Melo TV, Casafidi. So, depending upon time, over here this video. It be here on a pa, it be here in a it be crying on a jude assume. Until you can't not ya highlight it. What time you gonna watch this video now? Me the Prince Kojo Teria me free Atebubu. Yes, Toronto, Canada, and I'm a YouTuber. Nene ya tanasia ya wonsembi ene moche. And you free Canada, Toronto, near near United States of America. Na si do America there, the omuni me ankasa me brother Penny. I nay or United States of America. What na watch kakra fine. Billy, shout out to you. Me brother Penny and na so efrimu ya. Aso your friend oba Penny Cecilia Boachiwa would infinchia aduowatwe enum 85 years. Na mama did one friend Auntie Boachiwa na ene mama atwana nanom ewo ensie do. Okwa kurase kakra nti nyame ya aduma Saturday September 27th 2025 meka ewo bia your friend of Resurrection Power and Living Bread Ministry ewo 4132 Park Avenue, Bronx, New York 10457. Hey, address me bra wa isu achi o. Ya betina si enyumre no nkono na ya sorry ahomachi no nine pepepe yes enti epamoche opi obi amra na womra emigyan na yenom maame ne sikasa enti bo hwe maame mfonyin kra ena da camera nanim no yes oba penyin Cecilia Boachiwa ne maame ato na nanom wonsie do dia na chese me bra penyin na Billy Ocean yes senior man I salute me yesa ne ma to ye kra me kwa ye ne bi enyina ebe ko na yakonom ya sikasa okay enti apawu one omo aka ama meka papi no ne atebufo omo New York na ye kusikura free Columbus Ohio ba nti obi e baby munyina mo sorry na yenkoja ye brother Billy Ocean now abusia yemfa no nsi wa ene ye bedosoko na yakọ America na onse ye America dadawo but ye say be kwa America bion ene say you free New York and you back to Canada enti ye be ko America na ye ko America no ye nhye da nura America krom gidigidi sa ye wo bia ye friend Detroit Michigan yes and say wo free London Ontario ho na wo du Chadam ho na wo kokra de say mu nhye da ntwe bia now de o nyina ne say abranti ye ne mfonyi da camera na nim pa chwe ni ba owe okay your friend is saying Marion Green. Okay? Nidin de Marion Green. Now, the nyina say ne ex-wife. Your friend Latricia Green on so mfonyi and that camera nanim no. Pacho oheni ba Latricia Green fonyi na that camera name. Na report ne che say Ora Marion Green ene ababa was son no Latricia Green. Omo worry pen. But it do baby no our Raymond Tokwa abrafo kind of domestic violence. Metiu Macau mentwe ma why you say me no obekon me ye prasase ye pre fie one more homa you know efie ntokwa domestic violence enti won komra aware no egui enti na chese Marion Green and Letitia Green omaware no etwotwa obi anware obi biu now divorce aba ya sensan and they are not the first people muja aware yes now they see and say ababa all Letitia Green etwe say nimfo nyina da camera nanim no Letitia etwe say from time wa woni Marion Green ja aware no so wada wona was a son number mpa na Mario afa kwan bi so akopɛ ne number na jude so no ofre no or threaten no of course okɔ adwuma kra no park ne car But your story ni you. What parking the car crana? Wo see a quajumano. Obey anaka be a tenant. No, in any town which must say, the ex-husband or Marion Green. Wano at tete a ho baby. And you want to say one time what in the car grace you home ma or free a human pay or run a car mono. They say, be a coso on a car no more we and sick yin near my baby just or you want to say Emma or reporting ma Detroit one police say this is what is going on. Dear Detroit police, me Letitia Green. They made it too many men in say. Many me kunu jai. O ma mi nya hoto, I want a friend I want to pound. Or tata me fa benkum na wafa, me fa nifa na wafa. Enti kwan be na mbefa so a mo beba mo ban. Milo TV Toronto, Canada. Subscribe if today is your first time, like my comment and then share. Asema me no okay Friday ya and see. Enti pick your phone, go to Mr. Google, so open details are na your research about this incident amede ebrew. Now, the omni obo police amani police and shed that ma womo workers ni bi anase womo deploy ni pass monko ne mpu asema ababa waso no Letitia Green eken monko pon ho ban obia anyesa. Now, the na Letitia abusuafo eka nyina ne say nanko omo demand what we call justice. So bronika say justice na che BBC a on person no kran eye adwuma o se ba bia de ne da no ye de to ho no. Okay, yen to a story ne so. Na numu obi abusuafo muti asemi yi pa. Na Letitia oye adwuma meka say oye adwuma awo Henry Ford Hospital. Henry Ford Hospital. But your hospital no Mfonyi ene da camera nenum no I wo Detroit, Michigan. So ye tumre ne akire osie. Now sister H say okọ adwuma na course bi ne niema niema bi. Now ni nyina ne say Friday na sister no kọ adwuma. Owo adwuma ma no te say ese ne kunu no aba. Ne kunu no eba ya ono kura wo basement o. Ne kunu na rewremu anya kwanya aba bia wo ye adwuma. Enti won komra won no argument wesi benkum wesi nifa poki kraw Marion Green atwe tu pow for kune ne ex-wife every wiase. My goodness, people, Milo TV Toronto, Canada. Subscribe, so no first time we are like now if you want commenting. Now watch your comment section is very important. But then mommy uncle Detroit on na yankoji asemu nchirimu na ye bad yakabia no ye de beto am so midi the prince kojeteria Melo TV.
Detroit man has been arrested after fatally pow-powing his ex-wife at her job. Yesterday, a manhunt was underway for a 53-year-old man named Mario Green is being accused of going inside of Henry Ford Hospital, locating his ex-wife, working down in the basement, getting into an argument with her and fatally pow-powing her on the site. Following the pow-powing of his ex-wife, he sped off north on the lodge in this 2011 Dodge Charger, which was later found on 8 Mile and Lasher. After hours of searching, it's looking like he was found on a home on Detroit's east side off French in 94. According to police, this is not his first run-in with the law. They claim that his ex-wife actually filed for a PPO against him that got denied. When she refiled, it got approved, but it was never served to him. Court records show that he was also convicted of aggravated stalking and even served prison time for an arson act that he committed. I am so glad they got this man off the street. This was a senseless act of violence that definitely could have been avoided if we practice on protecting Black women. The fact that this lady even had to file a PPO twice is insane. I'm curious to know what y'all think regarding this. Leave those condolences for Letitia down in the comments, y'all. This is also...
Hi, what's your name, sir?
Mario Green.
Thank you. This will be case 25059-589, State of Michigan versus Mario Dwayne Green, counsel.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. APA Larry King for the people, P78774.
Judge Philip Reid on behalf of Mario Green, we would waive the formal reading, stand mute. He has been advised of his constitutional rights.
Court will enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf as to bond.
Your Honor, the people request bond in this matter be set at remand Michigan Court Rule 6.106 permits remand in cases where the defendant is charged with murder. In this case, it's alleged that the defendant entered a hospital full of workers, civilians, and people being treated for medical issues, and in that hospital sought out his ex-wife at her office and fired a shot, killing her. Your Honor, this is a horrific charge. It's first-degree premeditated murder. He is facing potential life in prison. Based on the nature of the charges, the potential threat to the safety, and the fact that he ran, he hid, he had to be searched out by police over the course of several days with the assistance of several law enforcement agencies. I think he's an unreasonable risk of safety to the community and poses a flight risk. The people are requesting remand. Your Honor, if the court is not inclined to remand the defendant, we would request $1 million cash bond with GPS tether house arrest.
Thank you.
Judge, I did speak with Mr. Green in depth. We are asking the court for some type of nominal bond and anything other than a remand, Your Honor.
All right. Well, the allegations here are as serious as they get in this state. First-degree premeditated murder, and particularly the details of the allegations are just horrendous. Court does find Mr. Green poses a danger to the community as well as the seriousness of the offense. Court will remand Mr. Green to the custody of Wayne County Sheriff's pending further hearings in this matter. Next court dates are September 4, probable cause conference, and September 11, preliminary exam. Both of those are in front of Judge Jakay here in 36th District Court. Anything else for this record?
No, Your Honor, nothing further from the people. Thank you.
Nothing further.
Thank you. All right, thank you. Thank you, sir. You can step aside.
53-year-old Mario has been arrested for killing his 40-year-old wife, Latricia. According to the reports, Mario went to Latricia's job around 10 o'clock in the morning. She worked at a hospital in Detroit. While walking through the hospital, he was asked by staff, "How can I help you?" And he said, "I need to drop off a few things to my ex-wife. She worked down there in the basement." Shortly after, you could hear the two arguing. "Leave me alone, please. Please leave my job." But instead of just walking away like she asked him to, Mario pulled out a gun and shot her multiple times. He wanted to make sure she was dead. He then ran out the hospital and jumped into his white Dodge Charger and left. Police said they later found the car abandoned in a Detroit neighborhood, and they tracked him down and arrested him without incident. Latricia's cousin said, "She was a sweet person. She didn't deserve this." Court records indicate that the couple had divorced in 2018. However, Mario didn't accept the outcome and refused to leave her alone. Latricia filed for a protection order in June, claiming that Mario was stalking her and showing up to her job unannounced, but it was denied. Then in July, she filed for another one because he broke in her car. She wrote on the application, "I have tried to be cordial because I feel like the system has let me down. Every time I try to report this man, I'm asking for help before it go too far, and it's too late." The order of protection was approved, but sadly, the police never served the papers to Mario.
Okay, Abusia, and the video here, what do you think? Nipa picture say Michigan police no more obano buying. Like in some show be bia babe kana sem we say. Guys, what is your opinion now? I did me hear video ma pick it out of this video. They say our rare se bejina ba enyina bema for baby oba memfa me baby. Afi tintun time anya ntwa anya ntua. Nti se ko ba se woni obi agyan na akoye se won komra ena na say ochina say the following day say guys so we oba you careful. Domestic violence it may lead to anything in this world. Esana awudie bi betumi apie baabi ekobasa na like a whole lot guys. Enti momye nyina yemfa bi entu ekotodwem na yemfa entu ye hofo as far as ya gye atum si ebeware, as far as ya tie aware ase sanse de bia meka me si aware we free nifa we free benkum ene ye behia ye steady ye ho kakra se fa yes amfa se ne pa problemu me dia say yes ma gye atum sa ne tie yes enti de bia no sa adena anweke na yenko hu sofo na sofo aba yenko hu elder na waba yenko hu deacon yenko hu deaconess yenko hu asore pani yenko hu busuya pani yenko hu ne nyina anye de mahu ne se aware momenta red flag best start say be rezi na we sise na third party beba mu no guys na adena eje kon na ese ya ne sa nti mu nya hwe yi awa aware ho se Joe Laka Kesben Sports o kasembi so kotafo si ekumasi a memman why pressure be free baby subscribe we are like no comment no share bema ento pressure mo oba ento pressure me me be see ya subscribe we are like no comment no share Melo TV bari bim bari boom bari bem yeah TV Toronto, Canada. Subscribe if today is your first time. Like my videos, comment, and then share. Bada bim, bada boom, bada bam.